Hello to you all, and thank you for allowing me to contribute to your career path. My name is Anmol Sansoa, and I've been an IT professional for 10 years, and of that I've been a BI and business solutions consultant for the last 7 years. This is the first course I've designed for you, and is a projection of everything I have learnt and also learning whilst using Tableau as the business solution BI tool in some well-known companies across various industries. By the end of this course, you will have the confidence to use Tableau more effectively, from answering a brief to a deliverable, as well as offering your audience more options to better interact with data. What will you learn from the course? In Section 1, Exploring Tableau, we'll learn about Tableau, the navigation in Tableau, the key features, and how to understand data in Tableau. In Section 2, Understanding Data, we'll learn how to identify what you need to create a dashboard or visualization, how to control and manipulate data, and how to organize data. In Section 3, the components of a business dashboard, we'll learn how to create a template, how to add interactive using dates in a business dashboard, and making a worksheet to a story. In Section 4, Defining Types of Dashboards, we'll learn about the types of dashboards, learn the differences between descriptive, prescriptive, and predictive. In Section 5, we'll look at Tableau's 10.5's Vision Tooltip. We'll understand what it is and what is possible, and learn how to add value using a visualization in the tooltip to add context. In Section 6, Building Business Dashboards, we'll learn the differences between infographic, informative, and business driver dashboards, the components of a dashboard, and understanding how and when to add interactivity and control. In Section 7, Understanding Controls and Calculations, we'll learn about the different ways to interact. We'll learn about how to use each feature, such as the filters, parameters, and actions. We'll learn about how to control using calculations, and the introduction to level of detail calculations. In Section 8, Adding Business Value, we'll learn about some key Tableau tips, such as how to show the top or bottom end, the introduction to hierarchies and how to use them to make them dynamic, and the useful tricks to show more than one value, whether it be in a tooltip or on a label. And finally, in Section 9, we'll be introducing Tableau 2018.1 and 2018.2. We'll be showing all the features for both 2018.1 and 2018.2 and demonstrate where possible how these can be used. I hope you enjoy the course as much as I did whilst making it, and I wish you all the best on your journey. Thank you.